Hello everyone. Last time we looked at nouns. Nouns are when you name a person, a place, or a thing, or even an idea. Now, nouns can be singular. Singular means only one. Like, I have one pen. But if there's more than one pen, we say that's a plural. That's more than one. And this is how we're going to write. So if I had a pen, I would write pen like this. Pen. But if I had more than one, I would put a s at the end, an S. So I know there's more than one pen. Pens, which we call plural. If I had one cake, cake. We'll write it like that. But if I had more than one cake, I had lots of cakes, I'd add a s for cakes. So a lot of words have an S at the end when we write them in plurals. However, if a word ends in CH, can we write it here? SH, S, two S's, or with a X, the X, then these, what would happen here is you would add ES at the end. Okay, let's have a look at some words that have these at the end. So if we look at a word like dish, I will wash the dish. That's a singular, but we're looking at plurals today. So if I did all the dishes, I would need to add ES. So remember the rule. If a word ends with these sounds at the end, or with these letters, CH, SH, S, or double S, or an X at the end, then we would just add ES for the plural. Let's have a look at another word. I saw a fox. Fox. But if I saw more than one fox, I would say I saw foxes. Okay, let's have a look. I made a wish. If I made more than one wish, I made lots of wishes. You can see. So the rule here is to add ES. Let's see if you can try some of the ones I've written down below. Have a go at those. See how you find them. Now there are some words that end with Y. So let's have a look. Clean this up. So, like the word baby. B. Now, what we need to do here, we can't put the S at the end, we can't put ES at the end. What happens here when it ends in a Y, we need to cut this out and we turn that into an I. And then we add the ES. So it becomes babies. Okay, so we have to cut the Y out and turn it into an I to make babies. If we look at another word, I was playing on the pony. Again, same again. We cut out the Y, turn it into an I, and then add ES to make ponies when there's more than one. So remember the Y rule. But the thing here, you got to remember also, the letter just before the Y should not be a vowel. Remember the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. If it's not got one of those vowels, it means it's got a consonant in front of it, like a B here or an N here, then yes, you would take off the Y, change it for an I, and then add ES. So there's a few different rules here when it comes to plural. Okay, so we're going to try to practice some of those. So down below, I'll give you a list of words and have a go at practicing those. Good luck.